The Asus ZenBook UX425 is a popular laptop that offers several impressive features for programmers, including lightweight design. The ZenBook UX425 is incredibly lightweight and portable, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. Long battery life. With up to 22 hours of battery life, the ZenBook UX425 can last an entire workday without needing to be charged. Powerful hardware. The laptop features the latest Intel Core processors, up to 16 GB of RAM, and up to 1 TB of SSD storage, providing plenty of power for programming tasks. Fast charging. The ZenBook UX425 can be charged up to 60% in just 49 minutes, so you can quickly top up the battery when needed. Bright and clear display. The 14-inch Full HD display offers excellent clarity and color accuracy, making it easy to work for extended periods without straining your eyes. Wi-Fi 6. The laptop features Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, which provides faster and more reliable internet speeds than previous generations of Wi-Fi. Ergonomic keyboard. The ZenBook UX425 features a comfortable and responsive keyboard that is backlit for easy typing in low-light environments. Multiple ports. The laptop features a USB-C port, a USB-A port, an HDMI port, and a microSD card reader, making it easy to connect to external devices. Windows Hello Facial Recognition. The ZenBook UX425 features Windows Hello Facial Recognition, allowing you to log into your laptop without having to enter a password. Thin bezels. The laptop features thin bezels around the display, giving you more screen real estate for a more immersive viewing experience.